Hello guys, it's Jack here and welcome back to another episode of Minecraft Skyblock. We're in episode 3 already now. I say already, it's been 3 weeks for you guys. It's been 1 day of recording for me. We're in episode 3 and today I think we're going to try and build that tree farm and finish off like this little bit and then hopefully move on to some more exciting stuff by the end of the episode as well. So I guess we better get started. So guys, here we are on the island. In the last episode I did put some wood in there to start smelting, is that the right term? I think so. Get us a bit of charcoal. And I'm going to build us a torch. Take 4 for now. We will take that back and we will... I don't know if I'm going to place these torches around yet. The music right now is way loud. Don't know how loud it is for you guys, but it's really loud for me. So what I'm going to do in this episode is I'm going to first off place some torches around here. I think we're just going to go with one there, one there, one there. For now that's all I'm going to do. And then I'm going to head down here. There's a spider mob down there. Hopefully it doesn't come up too far. Right. These can all come down now. And then this one is the only other one. Guessing it will stay up there, which is fine. Nothing against that. And then we just need to fill in this gap here. Need one more. How much? We got 12 dirt left, which is alright. Okay, and that's all the dirt we're gonna have. So I need to manage this kind of smart. Gonna move the chest as well. We want to get out of the grass if we can. Move the crafting table first. We will put that. So that with the bucket. Put the crafting table down there. I guess I'll take the tree out. Okay, once I've taken this down, let us go. How many saplings did we get? We got 5 saplings there. So is that all we have in total? That's interesting. Would have thought we'd have more. Don't know why. Right. Cobblestone is the next task. We need more of it. Something about you need to be 24 blocks away for animals to spawn, and we've got a big grass area that they can spawn on, but we're never going to be 24 blocks away from it at the minute, so they won't spawn. I'm just going to get up to 20 cobblestone, and this hopefully won't burn up and we'll get it. Yeah, we got it. Okay, now I need to craft all of these into slabs. Yes, there's 46 slabs, which should be good enough. And this area here, we're going to build out from. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll go down and do that this side as well. And then we'll fill in the gaps. This is very, very slow building doing it like this, but I don't really think there's a quicker way that's safe at the same time. Okay, we've got that. Now we can just fill in the gaps. I need enough grass for a farm. But I also, not grass, I need enough dirt for a farm. So do I put 6 aside for a farm? And keep 5, but then I can only grow 5 trees. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to take out one of these layers. Okay, forget that. I'm going to fill this back in. Bad idea, bad idea. Okay. So what I'm going to do now, I want to take out one layer of like the grass, or one row of the grass, because I'm not really going to have enough to grow trees and to set up a farm as well if I don't do that. So I'm just going to mine out a bunch of this cobblestone. How many we got? 11. We'll just take 12, and we're going to make some more slabs. $24 slabs. Go down here. Where? Right, which layer? I'm not really sure how to do this. Here, I reckon. Is this directly below here? I think so. So this is this first layer. Right, I think that'll work. No. Okay, so this layer here. Yeah, okay, it falls down below, that's good. And I fall down below as well and get injured. It's not good. Okay, I'm going to do this by crouching because it's safer. You've got to be kidding me, they can still fall off the edge. This is really annoying. Okay, they're not gonna... This is not how I wanted this episode to go. Okay, once I've like stopped being stupid and got this system to work, instead of falling off the edge of the island and dying. Right, which it's this row. I feel like it's this one. Okay, should be this one. And I shouldn't have to go out too far with it. Just so they don't drop off, I'm going to build here as well. Okay, I think that should work. It does fall down. But we caught it. Okay, so that worked. Sort of. Right then, now I need to fill in this here. Now we have 12 so we can grow, yeah, okay, that's what we wanted. 12 trees and we can grow, and we have 6 left for a farm. So that is great. And now we need more cobblestone. Once again, make slabs. And fill in the gaps. I'm going to eventually, I'm going to build some walls. I'm not sure if I'll do it next episode or the one after. I probably won't have time to do it this episode. But we definitely are going to need some walls so I don't fall off the island all the time. Okay, So now we can grow 12 trees. Where do I want to plant them? One there. Need to come 2 in. Right, what? Can't speak. Right, no. Not there. There. 2 in from the edge is there. We can go 1 there. Is that too close? 1 there. 1 there. And we are going to need to keep building back as well. Can we put 1 there? I don't know, that seems very close. We'll see though, I guess. For now, we will plant them. We've only got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that'll do for now. They should all grow, like, it's fine if the leaves, like, attach to each other. Right, we're going to leave that like that. I'm going to put a couple more of these. Just that. In there. Gets 4 more torches. And then we can definitely, like, start putting a wall in around this area. Because we're not going to expand out that way from here. But the tree farm is going to keep going along that way. So I don't want to put all that side just yet. Okay, I've just thrown a slab off the edge of the island. We'll pretend that didn't happen. Right, so finish fully expanding the tree farm. We've got to get 6 more planting pieces of dirt in. Then there's build a house, build a farm, and build the walls. So the next 3 things on the list. I need 1 more. 24. Okie doke. So I can build... No, not in there. I can build another spare pickaxe. I can build another torch after that's done. We'll put those together for now. Let's just put all those in there. Make all those into slabs. We'll take this and make the torch. And yeah, let's continue on the expanding of the tree farm. Where can we go here then? Let's put 1 in there. 1 in there. 1 there. And we'll put 1 there, which means we're going to have to expand, like, even further. Right, that'll do. How many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 10. That's fine. Let's put these in the chest. We've got 8 pieces of dirt to build a farm with. And that is where I'm going to leave it for this video, guys. So we've got the tree farm completed. We didn't get as much done as I would have liked to. But I kept falling off the island, so things took a little bit longer. But yeah, that is going to be all for this video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed. If you have, make sure you drop a like down on the video. That would be awesome. And if you're enjoying the Minecraft content as well, then make sure you subscribe to the channel so you never miss a video. That's going to be all for today, guys. So I'll see you next week with another Skyblock episode. And I'll see you very, very soon with another video. So yeah, see you then. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.